Welcome to my modern homestead. My name is Janet. I had planned to do a pantry video for you because I want to show you what we're doing, but I started cooking because we had to eat. So I went ahead and did that, and I'm going to share that with you first, and then we'll come back and then we'll do the pantry, kitchen, whatnot later. Let's go. Okay, so I got those shelves cleaned off and it's evening, so let's go ahead and get supper started while the rest of the family is still eating, still unloading. But first I've got to clean off the stove and find a place in a bowl to mix up some cornbread. If I can find the shortening, which is in one of those boxes there. I think it's right there if my eyes are not deceiving me. I can do this. We can do this. Come on, let's try. Oh yeah, and a cast iron skillet. They happen to be right there. Beside this, I don't know why this is in here. This is how crazy this move has been. I've never had a move this crazy. Look y'all, just like magic. It's cleaned off sufficiently enough that I don't think I'll burn the house down. Let's grab, we've got beef and lentil soup. That's for tortillas. That's stuff. That's from Miss Tammy. I was wondering where those were. Cheddar, broccoli soup, broccoli cheddar, and plain lentil soup. You know what? These are past their prime. Let's go ahead and do cheesy chicken chowder tonight. Perfect. I don't know where all my pots and pans are, but I bought this one when we were at the rental house because I couldn't find all my pots and pans that we kept out just for the rental house. So I hope this is big enough for the soup. I think it will be. So let's see if we can get into the shortening. All right. See, I'll open this box. That's Alyssa's sweetheart. She put tape through the handles. Oh, but I see something, even if shortening's not in here. I can make Bill his Christmas cookies that he didn't get this Christmas from my sweet friend Kelsey. If I can find some melting chocolate. But let me see if the shortening's in here. Okay, I see all sorts of great stuff, but not the shortening. Look, I see salt. I think this was our overstock food. Let's try the next box. So, all right, Hero Husband got that box out of the way. I think this is the magic box. Ta-da! It's right there! Yes, we're having cornbread tonight. Okay.
Cornbread and milk. Cornbread and milk.
I don't know about the cornbread milk, baby, but we're having cornbread.
We're having cornbread and milk.
Where you going to get the milk? You got a cow?
There better be milk in the refrigerator.
You better go find a cow. I got to have milk for the soup.
How many problems did I have?
About a quart. I've got a jar of canned milk I stuck in there. It should be still good. Alright. Milk taken care of, shortening taken care of. I do not know where my mixing bowl is at this moment, so guess what? We're using the mixer bowl. It'll be fine. Let's find the cornmeal. Oh, this is going to take forever, y'all. That's not cornmeal. Let's try and heat. Hold on, I gotta go around. I'll be so glad when this is done. Okay. In one of these stacks is cornmeal. I just said we forgot to get the labeler today. So I was going to label all of these. I think that's it. Bingo. Now, this is not my working jar of cornmeal. So I'm going to have to do this in the unconventional way. and put 2 cups of cornmeal in my wet measuring cup. If you don't know, yes, there is a difference between wet and dry measuring cups, but not enough to matter when you're making cornbread. Wait a minute, this is not cornmeal. Is it? It looks like grits. That's grits, y'all. Crud. Hold on. Let's try this again. I think I see it over here. Surely, that is cornmeal. Before I do a take 2, let's get the oven ready. I've never used this oven. This is the first time. 425 and start. Ooh. Okay, so a fan comes on when you turn the oven on. But this has got a cooking time and a timer and a clock. That's cool. Okay, I didn't even notice that. Anyway, back to the cornbread. I was telling y'all I'm going to have to do this the unconventional way and measure using my wet measuring cup. Let's get this set up. Stay. Y'all don't fall down now. Oh, for goodness sakes. Can we sit y'all here? There we go. Okay. I use 2 cups. Oh no. Oh no, this is not cornmeal. This is whole wheat flour. Y'all, just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. I am going to find this cornmeal. Okay, so I've been back in here looking, and I couldn't see anything till I looked over there. That has to be it. I don't think there is another tote. Let's go see. Oh. Ding, 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 ding. Tight squeeze. Okay. Now we can do this thing. And look, I left a measuring cup in here. I'm so smart, so we don't have to use this. Why am I putting it in here? To make sure this is the right scoop. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 cups. It doesn't have to be exact. This is cornbread. Now, y'all have seen me make cornbread 100 million times on here, so I'll be back when it's done. Well, I went outside to find my glass plates. I didn't find those, but real fast, gotta hurry up on this cornbread. I had to find the glass plates so that I had something to put the cornbread on when it's done. But I found another sweet surprise. Well, it was not really a surprise. I packed it, but I packed these just for Christmas before we moved, so we would have them. Yay! And all my little spices. So exciting. But when I walked back in, somehow this box caught my eye under the pasta maker. And guess what it is? It's the plates I went outside to find to begin with. Alright, this cornbread's ready. Let's get it in the pan. Pat it out. Hold on, let's get this in the sink. Into it. Oh, goodness gracious. It's in the oven. Alright, I'm gonna get my hands washed and we'll start the soup. Okay, let's get started on the soup. Oh, wait, before we do that, I guess I need to put this up. Okay. Now this is some that I can myself. If y'all would like to see how to make this can, let me know in the comments. I'll show you how to do it. It's cold across most of the United States. Great night for it. I don't know why I don't speak in complete sentences half the time. Do y'all do that? Oops, do y'all see what I just did? I forgot to get that off the bottom. That's all right. Okay. I know why I didn't put the milk up now. Okay. The stove is not hot. I'm just sitting this here. We want to open a jar of milk. You can add up to 2 quarts of milk to this, just whatever you like to taste. Well, it's good and sealed, y'all. Come open. I'm going to pour a little bit in here to get that out. Pour the rest in here. I'm going to start with the 1 pint. And when this gets hot, I will add, I will add some more milk if I need it, and then I will add the cheese. Normally I would add some, I don't use chicken bouillon, but, wait, I need single eye. Hold on. I can't chew bubble gum and talk at the same time. Oh, you know what? I've got something I can put in here. Hold on. Right when I told you I was about to tell you what I use, I remembered I have it. I'm gonna grab a spoon. You can use this or the Orrington Farms. I actually prefer the Orrington Farms, but I don't have it, so, I have it, but who knows where. So we're just going to use this. Just a little dollop. And this is going to be perfect. So let's let this get hot and let the cornbread cook. If you lose your spoon, fish it out. I'm always crazy in the kitchen, you guys, but when I'm getting in a hurry like this, it's super crazy. Okay, let me stop the camera. I'm going to move this stuff off the stove so I don't create a disaster, and we'll be right back. Look, y'all, this is my first time using my dishwasher too. And look, my tall jars fit in the top. Heck yeah! Okay, let's just let this cook. We don't want it to come up to a boil. We just want it to get hot enough to add our cheese and let it melt. We love this stuff, y'all. Cornbread's done. There we go. Okay, to finish the soup, you add as much or as little cheese as you would like. I have mild cheddar cheese, both bags. Just what I happen to have on hand. Mix it in and let it melt. That's it, you guys. It's all done. Okay, let's get this plated up. We want to start with a slice of cornbread. And just pour the soup around it. There we go. All done. You guys, thank you so much for joining me today for our very first meal in our new house. You know I love it when you come and spend a few minutes with me. So, until we meet again, may you be blessed. Love you guys. Don't forget, like, share, comment, and let me know below if you would like to see this canned. Next time. What's that, babe?
I ain't got no spoon.
Well, hey! Quit! I laid you a spoon out.